France Penguin app. So formerly it was called Pangu. Now it's just called France Pangu Bao and Malo because they added not only Penguin friend but three other AI friends which you can just use and grow together with your friends. So you can just open it up, and here's the app which you can use. So you can just see you need to take care of your AI friend. So just enter the code from your friend and then you can co-parent Pangu. So here is my code. Feel free to enter this code and then you can just raise a Pangu. So invite a friend, and then you will be able to see it. So you can revive it for free. If it dies, because you need to take care of it, you need to give it food, pet it every day, and your friend also needs to do that. And when you're doing that, you can communicate and chat with your friend. So it's a great communication platform. And then you can just continue in here just like that. But then if you want to revive it, then you need to upgrade. So that's what it is.